In this video, we're going to see what happens when we attempt to mutate tuples. So here is T again. So when I say mutate, that means, all right, so I'm going to select an item, let's say the second item, so 12. And let's just say I want to override this with, 122. So I'm going to reassign that value as 122. And when I do this, it says tuple object does not support item assignment. We cannot assign a new item with a tuple. So it's immutable. We just cannot do that. Lists, however, are different. Let's create a variable called a list and convert this tuple to a list. Now just look at it over here, a list. So with a list, I can overwrite this value like this. So I can assign a new value to a particular item. Here it is the second item. That is perfectly fine. And when I look at a list, it has been reassigned. So it has been mutated in place. So tuples, immutable. Lists are mutable and can be changed. So if you try to mutate a list and change one of the items, you will get this error.